Hello there. Welcome. Today, we're tackling a common headache for developers, the System.BadImageFormatException in Visual Studio. This error pops up when your program tries to load a DLL or executable that's not compatible with the target platform. It's frustrating, but we'll break down the causes and provide simple solutions to get you back on track. First, let's understand the error. This exception arises because you're mixing 32-bit and 64-bit components. Your application is likely compiled for one architecture, while it's attempting to load a DLL or executable built for the other. The solution involves ensuring architecture compatibility. We'll cover several key areas to troubleshoot and resolve this issue. Firstly, confirm your project's target platform. In Visual Studio, right-click your project in the Solution Explorer. Select Properties. Navigate to the Build tab. Look for the Platform Targets setting. Ensure this is correctly set to either x86 for 32-bit, x64 for 64-bit, or any CPU. Any CPU sounds versatile, but it can default to 64-bit on 64-bit systems, causing problems if you're using a 32-bit DLL. Next, examine the dependencies. If you're using external libraries or DLLs, verify their target platform. If a DLL is 32-bit, your project needs to be compiled as 32-bit, x86. You can often find this information on the library's website or documentation. You can also use tools like Dependency Walker to inspect the architecture of a DLL. Consider using NuGet packages carefully. Sometimes NuGet packages might not specify the correct platform architecture. It's prudent to check the package details to confirm compatibility with your desired target platform. If you're using any CPU, try specifically targeting x86 or x64 and see if that resolves the issue. Another potential culprit is IIS Express. If you're running a web application, ensure IIS Express is configured correctly. In Visual Studio, go to Tools-Options-Projects and Solutions-Web Projects. Use the 64-bit version of IIS Express for websites and projects. You can control whether IIS Express runs in 32-bit or 64-bit mode. Make sure this setting aligns with your project's target platform and any dependent DLLs. Remember to rebuild your solution after making any changes to the target platform. A clean build can sometimes resolve lingering issues. If you're still encountering the error, try running Visual Studio as an administrator. This can sometimes circumvent permission issues that might be preventing the application from loading the necessary DLLs. Lastly, check your environment variables. Incorrectly configured environment variables can sometimes interfere with the application's ability to locate and load dependencies. If you have manually set environment variables related to the problematic DLL, double-check their accuracy. Okay, that's a wrap on fixing the System.BadImageFormatException. We've covered the primary causes and solutions. Remember to double-check your target platforms, dependencies, and IIS Express settings. If you found this helpful, please like the video and leave a comment below if you have any further questions or suggestions for future topics. Consider subscribing to the channel for more developer tips and tricks. Your support helps us create more content like this. Thanks for watching.